Hello guys, welcome to WebSensePro. Welcome to another Elementor WordPress tutorial. And if you are a WordPress designer or developer using Elementor as a page builder for your website, then this video is for you because in this video we'll show you how you can add this stylish text stroke animation which will look awesome and you won't be using any plugin. You can do that with a little piece of CSS code. My suggestion is to use less plugins because it may slow your website, and you can use a little bit of code in order to make your website more stylish. So if you want to learn how to add this stylish stroke animation, keep watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Without further ado, let's get into the screen.
Hi guys, welcome back to WebSensePro. I'm your co-host Nidashik with another tutorial on Elementor. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make Elementor text stroke slide animation effect with no additional plugins. Yes, this is what we'll be making. We'll be making the text stroke slide animation very quickly and very easily, just with the help of a CSS code, no plugins, nothing. All you need to do is first of all click pages here and add a new page here. Okay, so you guys can see that the page is inserted. What I need to do is just in the middle of the screen, you can see the plus sign. Choose the Flexbox container. Just add a direction container here. Just change its main height from left hand side to VH first. And then let's make it 100 so it fully covers the whole screen. Okay, what else we need to do is just choose this icon here so that you can add a heading. From your left side, drag the heading widget. Okay, go to the parent container here, go to style here, change its background type, and let's give it a dark background color. Some dark bluish one. Okay, this looks good. Okay, now choose the parent container, still go to layout, scroll down, and let's add it to the center here. Okay, let's add a heading here. Web design and development. Okay, we'll go to style and give it some styling as well. Let's change its color to white, fully white. Okay, and the typography from Roboto to Poppins. And let's make its size to around 50. Okay, this looks good. You can increase its weight as well if you want. Okay, what else I need to do is when we are choosing this heading container, we'll go to advanced here, scroll down more, and here on the bottom you can see the custom CSS. All you need to do is you need to paste a code here, which I'll also mention in the description below. So this is the code. You guys can see it's not working because we need to add the text which we have added on the screen here. So add the text here in the code as well in between these two columns. Okay, let's do it. Web design and development. Okay, so now it's working perfectly fine here. What else we can do is if I want to change its parent color from white to something else, I can do that. So let's see if I go for a red one or a black one. Okay, white looks good. If I want to add some stroke here, I can do that as well. A little bit of stroke here. Okay, let's get back to advanced and go back to the custom CSS. In this custom CSS code, if you want to change the second color, which is green, you can change it from here if you want. For example, see the color is changing now. Okay, if I want to make it the same, I think green looks good. If I want to change the duration of this, I can do that from 6 seconds to I can make it 10 bit more slow or more fast here. See, now it's slow. Okay, for me 6 seconds is okay. If I want to change the text stroke color here, I can do that as well. Okay, let's click publish and see how my text stroke slide animation looks. Okay, let's see how it looks now. Let's get it loaded first, and this is how it looks. How smooth it is, and with little bit of stroke. I hope you like this tutorial. If you want more such videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button and comment below so that I can make more such videos for you. Thank you. Bye bye.